So we're recording.
Yep.
Don't get too close.
Well, it won't zoom anymore.
Hit the button on the top.
I did.
It'll zoom so much.
40 images are impossible. I don't know what that means.
Oh, watch out.
Broke free.
Agreed.
I'm pulling the knife out.
Okay, that's fine. Let's see. It doesn't like the paper core.
Will that thing go faster?
Yes.
Probably won't try to do faster.
Okay, try that. Yeah, I was wondering what... Well, and this is crooked too. Like this isn't square. Now that I see the blade isn't square with the...
Yeah, it has to be straight up and down, or it'll
Well, and it's
work loose.
I'd put on a little bit of an slight angle because then it acts like a curve in a solid.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Yeah, but
like
if you do that, won't it suck
Well,
the blade so far and then eventually it'll snap the blade?
Well, I mean...
Because the blade's not that rigid.
I'm talking a few degrees, nothing serious.
Which way would you twist it, Dan? Would you twist it this way, or would you twist
Probably
it this?
towards the roll.
Like here, come over here and look. So
Top of it to the left.
top of it to
Just
the left,
slightly.
like that.
Just so it gives the blade some space so it can't really weld to it.
And then I have to do this. See, this isn't.
Why are you doing that, Tim?
To square this way.
Oh.
Dan wanted to go that way. I wanted to go. Well, actually, what I need to do is move the angle thingy.
I don't think that was big enough
Well, we need to be wearing shower shoes.
All right, so you're going to cut another one off?
No, I'm going to finish cutting
Or you're
that
just
one.
going to finish this one? Okay.
I mean, you're real close.
It might be. It might be a good idea
There.
to put a little acetone maybe on the blade so that it doesn't curdle.
Let's try, we'll try higher speed. Okay, here we go.
All right. So now if something goes happening, it blows up, right?
Right. You can also zoom. I know you can zoom more with that.
Well, it's not letting for some reason.
You gotta, you go this way.
Oh, that's why. Oh, okay. Got
So
it.
now you can stand back.
Oh, much better.
So you don't have to.
Yeah. You're right, it's not real good for close focusing.
Well, it gets, you can zoom in too much, it's unstable. There's the paper. It's gotta be through.
I think it's starting to hit cardboard. There it goes.
There it is!
It flew across the room.
Okay, where'd it go? Yeah, it came out pretty good.
Well, that first one got screwed up. Maybe the second one will be a little nicer.
You wouldn't believe the tape we go through at the pizza shop.
For
Tape and bags. So that's what I thought of. I
when
could,
she's warm.
I figured it would be.
Yeah, it's all sticky on the hot side.
Right. Because you're right. That's why I was worried. Because hurry up and get it off of there. It's going to start to re-adhere.
cut's pretty easy. I think it's the paper's the problem. This is like a project I've been working on for like a year. I've been buying different razor blades and stupid shit. And then I thought of the X-acto knife handle.
It's not focusing very well, Tim.
Well, because it's spinning.
Oh, there it goes.
Let's see if it actually is tapey. Or did it?
Is it?
Well, it's still
Is it
warm.
gooey
Might
on the
let it
side?
cool off.
Let's see. Well, here's the. No, it feels good. I mean, it feels. It cut better than I thought it would. Oh wait.
Oh, it cut it on an angle.
Well, you said the goo. Well, the blade is.
Because the blade, you have to trouble the angle on the blade.
I wonder if that'll.
Oh, I see what you mean. It is a little bit beveled, isn't it?
I mean, it's still sticky. Oh, that's kind of cool.
There you go.
We'll cut this one in half. And
Tape reduction 101.
Yeah, so if you want to cut down your tape, all you need is a $1,000 lathe.
$1,000 lathe, yeah. It's everybody's on everybody's wish list, right, Tim?
well, but the fuck this. They have clear scotch. I don't know if this will work, but they have a scotch roll like this. It's $4.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, hang on to your tickets. It's gonna get worse before it gets better.
Right. And so that whole roll's $5. Yeah, it's not going in. This needs twisting a little bit.
I'm just a little bit worried about it grabbing the blade and
Oh, that'll
throwing it.
Well,
Yeah.
That's why we're not standing in front of it. You can tell when I hit the paper. I can hear it.
yeah, it makes a different sound. There it goes. There it goes. Done.
That actually worked a lot better than I thought.
It's beveled the other direction though, isn't it?
Yeah. I wonder if there's any. Here, let me get this thing out of here so I can cut on it. Not too shabby.
There you go.
4 rolls.
Gift wrap tape.
Yeah.